First question, a set of quantum numbers given. So we need to identify which type of an electron is represented by that set of quantum numbers. So when we check the principal quantum number, it's 2. So the principal energy level should be 2. Then L, that means azimuthal quantum number is 1. So can you remember the relationship between azimuthal quantum number and the subshell? When the azimuthal quantum number is 0, subshell is S. When the azimuthal quantum number is 1, subshell is P. When azimuthal quantum number is 2, subshell is D. For subshell F, azimuthal quantum number is 3. In this case, L is 1. That means subshell is P. So this electron represents a 2p electron, which means second answer is the correct answer. So when azimuthal quantum number is 1, magnetic quantum number can be -1, 0 or +1. So in this case it is 0. The spin quantum number can be +12 or -12. In this case it is +12. So this set of quantum numbers is possible quantum number set for 2p electron. Therefore it deduces that our selection is correct. But some students select the first one as the correct answer because they feel that as the azimuthal quantum number is 1, it should be S subshell. That is incorrect. S subshell is with the azimuthal quantum number 0.